So I think this is a great idea. If WhatsApp is actually going to make apps run on iPads and also Macs, is very, very cool, because Telegram allows people to use their application on different devices. When you are just connected to your smartphone, you can link it up to your laptop, your iPad, and it's basically very cool. I have my Telegram connected to my both phones, both my Android and then my iPhone, and then I just don't need to sign out before I just use the other phone. I just pick up the phone and I'm just replying messages and all. Same applies to me when I just pick up my laptop. I just reply messages and I'm gone. So there's a new update right here WhatsApp has brought up, and be like, WhatsApp's rumored app for iPad will be a Catalyst app, which is going to make it work solely for itself. Not going to be like you need to just get a code for your phone and then make it pair with either your Mac or your iPad before you're going to be able to use WhatsApp. Nah, it doesn't work like that. It works on itself alone. You don't need to link up codes or anything. All you need to do is you log in on your device, and then you have your device linked to your Mac, and then your device is going to link to your phone, and then it's going to work perfectly, just like how Telegram does on other devices. If you've not yet connected your Telegram app to your laptop or your Mac or your iPad, you can just try it out and then know whatever I'm talking about right here. So this is the release notes. The new WhatsApp app for Mac OS apparently looks very similar to the app for iPad OS, featuring the same UI interface, but there are some minor UI changes to accommodate a desktop experience. Presumably, the new Mac app will replace the existing Mac OS WhatsApp app and no longer rely on connected smartphones. Like I said, you're not supposed to connect your smartphones, like you use the code to just scan the web and then you're going to connect it right away. That is going to save a lot of hassles, because if with this old version thing, if your smartphone is not connected to the internet, you're not going to be able to use your WhatsApp on your Mac. But with this new one, without the internet, without your smartphone connected to the internet, you're still going to be able to use your WhatsApp on your Mac or your iPad, which is basically very cool. So I think WhatsApp should just implement this right away. It should just come to the public for us to just enjoy right away. And in case maybe it's been released to the public, I'm gonna come to you guys and let you guys know. So stick around, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share to anyone you think this is gonna be helpful to them. You can check out this video if you want to know more apps you probably want to download on your device. You can just check it out, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.